Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to install BBC iPlayer on a Fire TV stick in the UK, explained clearly and step by step, so you can start watching BBC content without any confusion. Step 1. Make sure your Fire TV stick is set to the UK. BBC iPlayer is officially available only in the UK. Go to Settings, select Preferences, then Location, and confirm it is set to United Kingdom. Also, make sure your Amazon account is registered in the UK. Step 2. Connect your Fire TV stick to the internet. From the home screen, go to Settings, select Network, and ensure your Fire TV stick is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Step 3. Open the App Store on Fire TV. Return to the Fire TV home screen and select the Find or Search option, then choose Search Again. Step 4. Search for BBC iPlayer. Using the on-screen keyboard or voice search, type BBC iPlayer. Look for the official app published by BBC Media Applications Technologies Limited. Step 5. Download and install the app. Select BBC iPlayer from the search results and click Get or Download. Wait a few moments while the app installs on your Fire TV stick. Step 6. Open BBC iPlayer. Once the installation is complete, select Open or find BBC iPlayer later in the Your Apps and Channels section. Step 7. Sign in to your BBC account. When you launch the app, you'll be asked to sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions by visiting the activation link shown on your TV and entering the code using your phone or computer. Step 8. Confirm your TV license. BBC iPlayer will ask if you have a valid UK TV license. Select Yes to continue, as a TV license is required to stream BBC content in the UK. Step 9. Start watching BBC content. After signing in, you can enjoy live TV, catch-up shows, dramas, documentaries, and more directly on your Fire TV stick. Now you're all set. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step streaming and tech tutorials.